Sales Insight Shorties. Brought to you by Fused.
Accelerating sales productivity, reviving stalled deals. Got deals stuck in your pipeline? Here's how to unstick them fast. Stalled deals are one of the biggest challenges sales teams face. They slow down your sales cycle and can cost your company a staggering amount of revenue. Here's a simple fix. Conduct a stalled deal audit to reignite these opportunities. Step 1. Use your CRM to find deals stuck beyond your average sales cycle time. Look for those that have been idle for weeks or months. Step 2. Review communication logs to identify the last interaction. Check if the prospect has responded to emails or calls. Step 3. Re-engage prospects with personalized follow-ups. Address their specific pain points, offer fresh insights, or propose a quick call to refocus the deal. This simple audit can help requalify viable deals and get them moving again, improving your close rates by up to 20%. Want more tips to optimize your pipeline? Visit our website or reach out to our team directly to discuss strategies that align to your unique needs.